Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Gardener. Today is March the 11th, this is on a Monday, and this little short video I just want to talk to you about the importance of no-till gardening. I'm sitting on my front porch that's out in my garden right at this time, fixing to plant some peas and fixing to plant some broccoli and cabbage. But anyway, here in the last 2 or 3 days we have had a tremendous amount of rain. Most people cannot even get out in their garden, much less plant in their garden. So this is why I took and changed from conventional till and dig and plow garden to no-till, because I can take and even after a hard rain I can go out in my garden and I can plant. I can walk around anywhere in my garden I want. I have leaves on my garden. I have it's covered with something. My garden is covered, always covered with something. And I just wanted to take and tell you that my garden is sort of like an experiment station for me. What I have done or what I am doing doesn't mean it's going to work for you. It means that hopefully it might work for you in your context, in your region, in your area. But the biggest thing is no-till gardening is a big thing. What I do is I just take and I plant on top of the ground and cover it up with compost. It's that easy. You do have to have quite a bit of compost, but I don't have to deal with all the weeds and the grass that I used to. Now, I will tell you, I still have grass. I still have weeds, but very small amount, and I can just pull them out, and it's not a big deal. But what it used to be, it was, oh wow, I was spending all my time pulling weeds and grass. And then I couldn't get in my garden because it's too wet. Or in a dry area, dry climate, or a dry period of time rather, it would be so dry that nothing wouldn't live. But anyway, the no-till method works for me. And what it does is when I plant something, I'll take and I'll cover it up, I'll put compost, and I'll cover it back up with leaves. So this little short video, I know it's short, and but I just wanted to tell you that, and also explain to you about my garden. My garden is always an experiment station. I want to try to figure out what grows the best without any chemicals, without any fertilizer, any digging whatsoever. I don't like to eat them chemicals. So anyway, I am constantly researching, constantly trying new things, and I document. I am very passionate, if you will, about documenting everything I do. But anyway, I just want to let you know that no-till does work in my context. And sorry about that, a car just going down the road. And but anyway, like I said, from my front porch to yours in my garden, just want to explain to you about no-till. And I hope you have a good day and happy gardening.